guys, welcome back to Kuma Reviews. We're doing an unboxing. Don't normally do this, but for some items, just in case they have a ton of accessories and stuff like that, I do unboxing videos so that I don't have to spend a lot of time on that aspect in the review itself. So kind of split it up into unboxing, go over what's in the box, and then once we do the review, we can get right into it or whatever. So consider this a supplementary piece. The CCSToys' Shin 1. Now, this could come with 50 accessories. This could come with 2 accessories. I don't know. I actually have not spoiled myself on this one. Outside of promo pictures that are in the listings, I have not seen a single thing, single review, etc., etc. It comes in this shipper. Shipper is huge. So, getting that out of the way, I already took it out of the shipper, but I haven't gotten past this part yet. Inside of the shipper, you're going to see this guy. It's just a cover with styrofoam. Alright, we'll take the cover off. And you see that it actually has these Velcro straps. Which is nice. That's pretty freaking different. And I know since it's white styrofoam, it might get lost. So apologies in advance, but once we open this, it should start showing more. So it's got layers here. Okay. I think this is the bottom side. I'm not sure. But a sheet of accessories here, as well as it looks like parts for the stand. Get these straps out of the way since we won't need those. But that's really nice. That's different. Alright, stand parts. These are parts for the scythe. I don't see the bar for the scythe. But okay. The energy attack that I saw. We'll actually start getting this stuff out of the plastic too. So, boom. Boom. Piece right there. Alright. Huge wings. I know CCSToys does some big pieces. I honestly haven't looked at measurements on this thing or anything like that. I am pretty fresh. A lot more fresh than normal when it comes to just having info in advance, this and that. And normally, even out of curiosity, just look that stuff up. And one thing I'm not going to do, I'm not going to do a lot of handling of this piece for this particular section, or this particular video, just because it's freezing outside. Comes with some bars here. I don't know if those were for the stand, for the staff, both. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, so there are layers. So that's actually considered the bottom, I'm assuming. And there's this. Okay. As well as the body. So that's different. Normally, third parties will do stuff like this. It does have an LED gimmick, it looks like. But you don't really see that a lot on first parties. Maybe that's for breakage concerns. Alright, this backpack for the wings. Without the wings. Okay. And there's that. Actually, get that. Don't worry, guys. This will be less messy in a second. Get the instructions out. But yeah, what I was saying was, pretty cold outside here in Illinois, so give this figure a chance to warm up, be at room temperature for a while before doing a bunch of handling, because plastic really does freeze. Super dangerous. Okay. Instructions. Boom. And I don't think, just because of the size, I'm going to display the box during the review. Oh, wow, there's quite a bit of armor and stuff like that that comes off of the figure, but apparently there's a look with no backpack at all. But yeah, let's see. What we can go ahead and do. Armor pieces, then fists and gauntlets and stuff like that. Alright, so what you see here is a hot mess. We're going to get him put together, get this cleaned up, and show you what's in the box. Okay, so one thing that this figure has is stuff. Stuff for days. And I will advise that if you're going to invest in this figure, it comes with a battery sheet here. Okay. Tons. All of these are 3. So, and they're all LR621. So, smaller cell batteries, but 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 of the LR621. This right here is 2 of the LR626 or AG4. I don't know if that's a little like a battery or what, or an adapter piece. Yeah, CR311. So 2 LR626 24, LR621, and 1 CR311. So the forearm lit up on this guy or whatever when I was putting them together. So I don't know what's all included in this figure, but I know like the other forearm, the button didn't work. So I don't know if they're in there and just dead. I haven't checked any of the battery compartments. But again, I don't know what comes with it, but just in case, you never know if they come dead, you know. Things are traveling overseas, things like that. You don't know how long they've been in a warehouse for. And one thing on mine, it definitely didn't have the strips to pull out to activate the batteries or anything like that. So, just taking a look over the accessories real quick. Effects pieces, different backpacks, different hands, pieces for the staffs, as well as alternate gauntlets for the forearm, pieces for the staff, energy effect, and then over here, of course, his wings, which are freaking huge. I can't wait to measure that wingspan. But if I can find my tape measure, just so you guys have a heads up, this figure's big. Again, I didn't know how big it was going to be, but it is at the antenna about 10 inches on the dot, and that's a pretty straight up pose. So, yeah, we'll get this guy reviewed soon enough. We're going to do a kind of live overview in the Facebook group Mecha Maniacs. So it'll be like a live video where you guys can chat, ask questions, ask for comparisons, things like that. So we'll just have this thing out fielding your questions. That'll be this Thursday. I believe it's the 27th of January, 2022 at about we're gonna go for 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, this has been an unboxing of the CCSToys Shin 1. We'll get this guy reviewed soon enough.